I know that those feelings are still there. You know, they are a stone's throw away. And so I think I have certainly a new respect for my mental health and the fragility of my mental health, the importance of being mindful and taking care of that part of my life like I do every other part of my life.
The techniques that I employ now comes very much from me and from my own rituals, because I realized that part of the problem with my depression and my struggles were the fact that I was looking to everybody else for everything. For my happiness, for my validation, for my support, and I wasn't getting any of that from myself.
Just this term as president of the OBA, making this an issue and seeing how many people care about it because of their own condition or someone they know and love, that is more therapeutic than anything I've ever done before. I feel like it's a worthwhile cause, and it makes me feel very good about what we're doing.
The stigma of mental illness and the lack of insight into depression, anxiety, and stress is still very prevalent in the legal profession. The Canadian Bar Association is very pleased to be partnering with the Mood Disorder Society of Canada and Bell Let's Talk to develop this online education program in an effort to eliminate the stigma and to provide educational tools to members of the legal profession in areas related to mental illness, mental health, and addictions.